Namaste. Let's begin our practice today, moving into dynamic arm raises. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, and on your exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body while creating more flexibility and mobility through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, with your next inhale, reach your arms overhead as you lift through one leg, and on your exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly while drawing your navel slightly in and up, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.